That's one axis of a ForceTwo power board, and it's connected to the primary axis of that mount. It's an out-to-out mount. That's some data I'm chugging away at. And let's see here. We're running it. This is like the configuration for that power board. There's a lot of things to configure. And one new one is the notch filter, if you see the notch filter. So now what you'll see down here is you'll see where my mouse is. That's the position, the encoder position. And then here's the position area. You can see it's probably an RMS of 0.01 arc seconds. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to turn the notch filter off, and then I'm going to write to power board. Now you can hear it and look at the position there. It's all over the place. If I was to detune that, I could probably get it down. I could turn this down. But it's hard to tune. And now I look at the position there. It's jumping around. So I'm going to restore those. Now we're going to go to configuration, use notch filter, right to power board. Amazing!